How to buy BNB on Coinbase Wallet. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can buy BNB on Coinbase Wallet. To buy BNB on Coinbase Wallet, first of all, open your Coinbase Wallet application on your mobile device and here make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the bottom, you will be able to see various icons. Tap on the icon located at the bottom right on your screen. Once you tap on it, now you will reach to this page. Here on the top, you will be able to see three different options. Here you need to select Buy button. Tap on the Buy button at the left side. And once doing that, here it says buying crypto in my region is not available right now. If it is available in your region, you will be taken to a new page. There you need to select the network BNB Smart Chain and then you will need to select the asset BNB. Once you have done that, now you need to specify the amount of BNB that you'd like to purchase. After entering the amount, now you need to select the payment method and once you have selected that, continue to payment. You may need to verify your identity and confirm the payment. Once doing that, you will be able to purchase or buy BNB on your Coinbase wallet. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.